In the lush landscapes of Goa, India, a residence stands out, not just for its architectural beauty, but for its innovative use of materials. House in Corjeum, designed by Field Atelier, is a captivating blend of traditional and modern, offering a unique living experience. But what makes this house truly remarkable is its use of sliding screens made from woven timber. This breezy home is a veritable sanctuary, nested in a village and surrounded by nature. The architects envisioned a house that embraces its environment, and they achieved this by wrapping it in verandas, creating a seamless connection between the interior and the lush outdoors. And here's where it gets intriguing. These verandas are shielded by sliding screens, crafted from timber, allowing for adjustable ventilation and privacy. The house is organized around a central courtyard, a verdant oasis with trees and a stone well. To combat the challenges of the monsoon season, the house is raised on a concrete base, ensuring protection from potential floods. The verandas, with their woven timber screens and metal mosquito nets, become a signature feature, ensuring a constant flow of natural light and air throughout the house. Imagine a home that expands and contracts, adapting to your needs. Says Teja Amankar, project architect at Field Atelier. The verandas can be extended or retracted, offering a dynamic living experience. But it's not just about functionality. Yatin Fulari, another project architect, adds, the beauty lies in the interplay of light and shadow as you move through the house, always aware of the captivating landscape beyond. The journey through the house is an experience in itself. Entering through the western wing, one is greeted by a long veranda, a prelude to the central living and dining area. This expansive space seamlessly connects to the courtyard through folding metal doors and also opens up to a south-facing veranda, offering multiple avenues for natural ventilation. The house is a study in thoughtful design. Utility rooms are tucked away, ensuring the central space remains uncluttered. A staircase leads to a cozy first floor with additional living quarters. In the eastern wing, a study, slightly sunken for added privacy, opens up to the garden through wooden shutters, creating a tranquil workspace. But here's where it gets controversial. The house challenges traditional notions of interior and exterior spaces. The house blurs the boundaries, says Amankar. With its deep verandas and open plan, it invites the outside in, making the house a part of the landscape. High ceilings and wooden louvres beneath the metal roof further enhance the natural ventilation, creating a comfortable microclimate. Field Atelier's attention to detail is evident in the choice of materials. Rough lime plaster covers the steel structure, both inside and out, providing a raw, natural aesthetic. The use of hollow clay blocks for infilling adds to the house's unique character. This project is a testament to Field Atelier's design philosophy, which is evident in their other works in Goa, such as the renovation of a 160-year-old Portuguese-style home by Grounded and India's first mass timber home by Architecture Discipline. House in Corjeum is more than just a residence. It's a statement on how architecture can harmonize with nature, offering a unique living experience. What do you think about this innovative use of materials and design? Is it a trend you'd like to see more of, or do you prefer more conventional architectural approaches? The world of architecture is always evolving, and your opinions help shape its future.